The Chinese army has started consolidating its positions in the Pangong Tso area. They are constructing a helipad at Finger 4 and have pumped in troops on the southern banks of Pangong Tso. This has led to the apprehensions that the Chinese are asserting their claim and conveying their disinclination for restoration of status quo ante in the area. Meanwhile, the Chinese ambassador to India has admitted casualties on its side on the June 15th clash in Galwan Valley. While India named its fallen soldiers, China had remained silent about its troops earlier. The death of a father and son in police custody in Tamil Nadu's Tuticorin following allegations of torture is snowballing into a major political row and has triggered calls for law enforcement reform. The opposition DMK targeted the state's AIADMK government over the incident. 4 policemen, including 2 sub-inspectors, have been suspended and an inspector has been benched by the state government. Authorities in Delhi will undertake a mammoth exercise from today to determine the spread of the coronavirus disease amid a rising number of cases in the national capital, which is one of the worst affected in the country. The serological survey, part of the new COVID-19 response plan, is expected to help officials prepare a broad strategy to combat the pandemic. The Indian Army today observes the 12th death anniversary of Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, who was the 8th Chief of the Indian Army. He died on June 27, 2008, at the age of 94. Field Marshal Manekshaw was the chief architect of India's 1971 victory against Pakistan. Leaders cutting across party lines are paying tribute to him. US President Donald Trump has signed an executive order aimed at protecting the country's monuments and statues from vandalism. Trump tweeted that there would be long prison terms for lawless acts against our great country. The incidents of vandalism happened after enraged protesters across the US have been targeting symbols and patrons of racism after the deaths in police custody of George Floyd. Divisional Commissioner of Jammu, Sanjeev Verma, on Thursday chaired a meeting of the heads of concerned departments to review arrangements being put in place to ensure the smooth conduct of the Amarnath Yatra 2020. It's likely that pilgrims who arrive in Jammu would be tested for COVID-19 as a precautionary measure. Sanitation and fumigation at Yatri Niwas will be done, besides ensuring provision of mobile toilets. In distressing visuals, the body of a 70-year-old person who died of COVID-19 was filmed being disposed of using a proclaimer by Palasa municipal authorities in Srikakulam in Andhra Pradesh yesterday. The Srikakulam district collector said that the Palasa municipal commissioner and sanitary inspector have been suspended.